It don't mean nothing, man. I blew my chance.
I think that.
I literally blew my whole chance, bro.
It's gonna determine this year. It's gonna determine the game.
What? Bro, first game, I won by a freaking point.
I just smoked.
Dog, that's crazy. Game 2. My camera wanna be crazy. My camera. He got that headpin.
No, I wasn't trying to get it.
Yeah, I know. We in game 2 right now.
I'm not going to. That was a little high.
Oh, man.
Try to hit.
Yeah. That jump be released early again. That's a out. Saved. I got saved. Oh man. We'll be back at another game. Game 2. It's alright. Oh, it's all good. No, we cool. We cool. I lost game 2. Hey, we got 2 more to go though. See that? Out of 4 games. I got the first one, he got the second one. We all good.
Good.
Whew. Yeah, I'm sweating. You just threw another gutter? And tables have turned very tremendously. Tyree just whooped my ass the last game. But now we here. Hold on.
I feel it.
Oh no, my it's all over the place. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. Now we're here. I either knocked it down. I wasn't in my elbow, but now we're here. Oh yeah. Your leg next.
All right,
Alright. Taking a second. I literally injured myself. My left leg is messed up. It's 80 to 47. It's 47. I'm whooping them. I wanted 160. I'm in the 7th frame. I don't know if I can get it though. We gonna see. We gonna see.
I don't want to talk. I'm getting fried. I'm getting fried.
Want to show them this?
No. I try to get the outside.
All right. I took game 3. Last game right here. I took game 3. Oh, you finna win? Fuck no. I gotta get my leg right. I'm gonna whoop his head. Ain't no 2-2. Fuck that task up. No. It's L time for him. Alright, game 4, man. This is what we at right now. I'm up. About to take home the W soon. Real soon. Don't slip.
This is getting wild. This is getting wild. I'm not picking that up.
How you down 7? How you down 7 again?
Strike, spell, strike.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
It's all good.
No. God, I'm joking. Hey, go to the fire for me, bro. Fuck you.
After this last frame, that's what I needed. That's what I needed.
I needed that. I needed that.
That's what I needed. That's what I needed.
Oh my God. I thought that pen was going to get No. That's game time.
SBS. Should have been a strike. That's fucked up. That's fucked up. That is fucked up. Dude, that is fucked up, bro. Fuck yes!
I did not get to the last frame slowly, bro. There's no way. I just got to
Let's go.
the last frame.
Let's go.
And
Let's go.
thinking too much about it.
Think again.
There's no way.
Think again.
God's green earth.
Oh yeah, too deep. As we go on, we remember. Yes, sir. Well, come on, man. Gotta tell me what happened. Come on, man. We gotta tell them what happened. Hey. 3-1. I lost one. I lost one game. The second game I lost. 3-1. 3-1.
I just jagged. Watch out, bro.
Tell them what happened, bro.
Watch out, bro.
You gotta tell them. You hold on that.
I jagged. That's why I jagged. Get on my way.
Hey, we up out of here. That's it for the video. Anybody else want to challenge me? Let's get it. Comment, like, subscribe.
I'll see you in 2 days.
We going crazy 2023, whole 2023, man. Come by, subscribe, share this video. Let's go, man. All right, y'all. Peace.